Hi everyone, it's Alex with Master Odor Removal. It's the 22nd of October 2025. We're servicing this 2024 Porsche Macan S for a heavy cigar. It was purchased out of state, shipped to Florida, and has a level 5 cigar. So what we're going to do is we're going to service the entire interior like we always do. Just real proud and lucky and fortunate to be considered the luxury car odor removal specialist here in South Florida and master odor removal around the country as a whole. Luxury vehicles and all makes and models. Let's turn it on and see what we smell in the AC. Okay, and here's the AC right here, so we're going to crank it. And just an absolutely beautiful detail, as you can see. Trying to smell the AC here. She's got all the vents closed. And yeah, it's a level 5 cigar. And so we'll service the AC with our second step process to make sure it smells fresh and clean. We're going to pull the plastic from the carpet here so we can service the carpeting. And let's pull back this, how much we can pull back this headliner. There it goes. Protect us from the sun and treat this translucent headliner, which is a real odor magnet. We'll leave a little gap here because we want to service here as well and the lip. Very important. So that's really basically it. Just really proud to have another luxury vehicle on my homecoming, and we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.